How to disable tips notifications on iOS 17 iPhone. Apple includes an app on iPhones called Tips, which occasionally sends notifications suggesting features or showing how to use certain tools on your device. For some people, these notifications can be helpful, especially when learning new iOS features. But for some users, they simply become another notification that pops up on the lock screen. So if you prefer a cleaner notification experience, you can easily disable these alerts. So let's quickly walk through the steps to turn off tips notifications on an iPhone running iOS 17 or up. So for that, what you need to do is first of all, open up the settings app on your iPhone. And then once you are inside the settings, scroll down until you find notifications and then tap on it. And here we are on our settings. So this section controls how every app on your iPhone is allowed to send alerts. So once here, next you want to scroll through the list of apps until you find the tips and then tap on that. So carefully, let's scroll through and let's see where the tips are. And here we go. Inside the tips notification settings, you'll see a toggle labeled allow notifications. All you need to do is simply turn this toggle off and then that disables it. So once you disable this option, the tips app will no longer send notifications to your lock screen, your notification center, or banners. And that is all it takes to stop tips notifications on iOS 17. So there we go. And now we're just going to keep going back and all the way back. And now we will not be getting those annoying notifications. And that was the quick and easy solution. Now, even though we just disabled notifications from the Tips app, the app itself is still installed on your iPhone. Apple includes the Tips app as part of iOS because it acts like a small guide that highlights useful features and hidden tools inside the operating system. Whenever Apple releases a new iOS update, the Tips app usually adds short walkthroughs showing things like new camera features, new widgets, or improvements to system apps. Sometimes the notifications you see from the Tips app are simply reminders that new guides or tutorials are available. However, if you already know how to use your iPhone or you prefer not to receive those reminders, disabling notifications like we just did is the easiest solution. Now, another thing that's useful to know is that turning off notifications for an app doesn't affect the app itself. It only prevents that app from sending alerts. So if you ever want to browse the Tips content manually, you can still open the Tips app, go through it, and at any time from your home screen, you can view the tips again. So inside the app, you'll usually find short cards or mini tutorials that demonstrate features step by step. But again, those will only appear when you open the app yourself rather than appearing as notifications throughout the day as you usually would be used to. Now, if you are confident that you won't be needing this app anymore, you can uninstall it or completely remove the app. So for that, go to your app, tap and hold for a few seconds, and then tap remove app. And then just confirm that this is the app that you want to delete. And yes, you want to delete this. And then delete, and there you go. Like that, you can completely remove the Tips app from your iPhone as well, and not just the notifications. So do this only if you're sure that you are never going to need the Tips again, and then you can go ahead with deleting it entirely. Something else many iPhone users don't realize is that the notification section inside settings gives you full control over how every app behaves. So for example, you can decide whether an app shows alerts on the lock screen, the notification center, or as banners while you're using the phone. You can also control whether notifications play sounds or appear silently. So if you ever feel like your iPhone is sending too many alerts, this notification section is usually the first place to check. You can go through the list of apps and disable notifications for anything you don't need. A lot of users do this with apps like games, promotional apps, or apps that frequently send reminders. Reducing unnecessary notifications can make your phone feel a lot less distracting during the day. Another helpful thing about disabling notifications is that it doesn't affect important system alerts. Things like phone calls, messages, or emergency alerts will still come through normally. So you're simply removing the extra notifications that may not be useful to you, like we just did with the Tips app. And of course, if you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this exact page and turn the allow notifications toggle back on for the Tips app, as long as you have kept your app installed and you have not removed it like I just showed you. This process works exactly the same way for almost every app on iOS. You simply go to settings, open notifications, choose the app you want to control, and adjust the notification settings over there. So once you learn this method, you can use it anytime you want to clean up your notification system. To quickly recap the steps we followed: open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Notifications, scroll down and select Tips. Then turn off Allow Notifications. After doing this, the Tips app will stop sending notifications entirely. And that is how you disable the Tips notifications on iOS 17 and up. Hopefully this helped you keep your notification center a little cleaner and less distracting. If you ever want to manage notifications for other apps, the same method works across the entire system. And once you get familiar with these settings, it becomes much easier to customize how your iPhone communicates with you throughout the day.